As you can see, I just take the MK10 extruder and mount it here. So this is pretty simple. Just put it on, plug it on, and then you have the original um, hot end, and everything is perfect. And then I just take the silent fan, and as you can hear in a moment, it's saying nothing. So that's pretty good. And the other benefit of the MK10 extruder is it's pretty. If I can take it there, it's pretty easy to take down. As you can see now, we got the filament. I just every time I mount some filament, I just want a straight piece, so it's easier to put in. So what you do is just take down and you just mount it. Okay, ready to go, and it's pretty simple. Yeah.